Hello everyone, this is Kaikir from Sodahub Making Bar, and today we are looking into the carbureted soft drink machine which has a filling capacity of 10 bottles per minute. In the same machine, we can fill in PET bottle as well as glass bottle, which has the chiller and carbonator inside inbuilt inside the machinery itself, and we have the rinsing, filling and capping in the same machinery. This is the rinsing part. And now we are looking into the glass bottle filling. Ours is the first counter pressure machine which has a counter pressure technology in the machinery. And now the chrome capping is done. Now we will be looking into PET bottle filling. First, the rinsing part happens. Then goes into the filling. And then the capping part is done. We, Sodahub, would like to encourage all the customers to start the manufacturing of plain soda as it is the right time due to the changes in GST. Thank you.